Today's wash day is brought to you by Strands of Faith. Inside of this amazing box is this jumbo bonnet, a wide tooth comb, some hair clips, a detangling brush, shampoo bar, sealing oil, a refresher spray, leave-in conditioner, twisting cream, deep conditioner, a moisturizing cream, and also a styling custard. Also in the box was this cute little book with pockets of prayers, this mustard seed, definitely love this, and then a thank you card from the CEO and her beautiful hair. So I started off with the shampoo bar. I love the shampoo bar. It gave a nice lather. Definitely left my hair feeling clean but not stripped. It was very moisturizing. Now that my hair is freshly washed, I'm going in with the deep moisture treatment, and I'm going to split my hair into two. This deep treatment is very thick and creamy. Definitely melted into my hair. I'm just sectioning it off, doing a little finger detangling before I go in with the brush. This deep moisture treatment is bomb, you guys, as you can see. So now that my hair is shampooed and deep conditioned, I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner and the sealing oil, and I'm just going to apply that to each of the sections that I've created. And then I'm going to go in with the detangling brush and just make sure that everything is evenly distributed throughout my hair. And I'm doing that with each one of the sections that I have. So now that I've applied the leave-in and the oil to each section, I'm going in with the moisturizing cream and the custard, and then I'm just doing some finger coils all over my head. I'm taking small sections and then twirling them around my fingers until I have the perfect coils. So now that my coils are completed, I'm just going to sleep in them overnight, wake up in the morning, shake my hair a little bit, add a little oil to my fingers just to stretch my coils a bit. I didn't want to do any coiling out on the first day because I wanted this style to last all week, which it did. So these are just my day one results, no coiling out. And here's day 4 with a little coiling out each day. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because I will definitely be using the rest of these products for some different styles.